To configure a multi-cabinet, the catalog must first be opened. Now appear configurable product categories. Multi-cabinets are located in the Electronic Access Control Systems group. The configuration can now be started using either one of the configuration samples or an empty housing that is located in the folder Individual Parts. The selected housing appears in the 3D space and is ready for configuration. By clicking on the model, options such as Configure, Duplicate, and Delete appear. Clicking on Configure opens an individual selection menu on the right side of the screen. A preferred color for the housing in front can be selected from our standard color range. The multi-cabinet is divided in 2 columns, each will be equipped with compartments. Column 1 will be evenly divided into 420 mm high compartments. The quantity and height of compartments can be selected individually for each column. Column 2 will be evenly divided as well, but into 840 mm high compartments. The multi-cabinet features a service compartment door located in the front center and found in the configuration menu at the top. In addition to the standard locking system, an option for contactless RFID authentication can be selected. Each compartment can be individually equipped with power modules and adjustable shelves. To configure an individual compartment, click on it with the left mouse button and select the desired option in the configuration menu. The compartment will be divided into 3 sections by 2 additional shelves. Each section will be equipped with a 2-socket power module. The power modules are available in 4 country variants: Switzerland, Chuco, France, and Great Britain. By using the Door Design tab, it's possible to change the design of the compartments from solid sheet metal to viewing window. Additional compartments are now equipped with power modules. To do this, each compartment is selected with the left mouse button and a power module is chosen. Further options of electrification concern the service area of the multi-cabinet. Here in the service area, an active fan with a thermostat, as well as a residual current and circuit breaker, can be selected. Now, type and number of compartments are changed, and an electronic control unit is added. Note that the electronic control unit can only be selected with an installation height of 1120 mm. This condition applies to column 1 and column 2. Now, compartment 1 in column 2 will be reduced. All compartments above it shift to the newly set compartment height of compartment 1. The space now vacated in column 2 will now be filled with 280 mm height compartments. A subsequent adjustment of the compartments is also easily possible. Now, compartment 1 in column 2 will be changed back in 840 mm height and designed with a viewing window and divided into individual sections with additional shelves. Finally, the multi-cabinet can be elevated with a base frame and fitted with a base cover. The configuration is now complete.